Okay, children. So yesterday I was discussing what is sin A plus B, children, formula.
Sin A.
Sin A
Sin cos B
Sin A cos B,
plus sin A
sin A B
cos A.
cos A,
Sin A minus B, what did I say, children? Same formula but
Sin A.
minus.
Sin A
sin
cos B
cos
minus
sin A
sin
minus
B
cos B
cos.
minus sin B cos A,
What is cos A plus B? I told you, children. Do you remember?
cos A
Cos A
cos
cos B
cos A
minus
cos A
I
cos
sin
plus
B
B
means
sin
here
A.
minus.
minus sin A
minus cos sin A sin B,
Cos A minus B, children. Say
Cos
cos.
A
Cos A
cos
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 B
A
B
cos
plus
B
plus
plus
sin
sin
cos
A
A.
sin
cos
B.
Here minus is there, here plus will come, children. Sin A, sin B. And I told you
sin B.
how to derive them also, children. Today, children, we will derive tan A plus B. Okay, please mute your audio, children. Tan A plus B. What is tan A plus B? Sin A plus B by cos
Cos A
A
plus
plus B. What is sin A plus B? Sin
sin A
A
cos
cos
B
B plus sin B
sin A
cos
cos
A by cos A cos
cos
B
A minus
minus.
sin A sin B.
Children, I want answer in tan, children. I want answer in tan. I want answer in tan, children. So what I will do? I will
Tan A
divide.
tan B.
I will divide numerator and denominator with I will divide numerator and denominator with cos A cos B. I'll divide numerator and denominator with cos A cos B, children. So that answer will come in tan, children. See here. Everything you divide with cos A cos B. Sin A cos B by cos A cos B plus sin B cos A by cos A cos B by cos A cos B by cos A cos B minus sin A sin B by cos A cos B. Understood, children? So this gone. What is left over? Tan
Tan
A. This gone. What is left
tan B.
over? Tan B. This gone.
1
1 minus. This is what, children? Tan A.
tan A tan B.
Tan B. That's all. Over. You're able to understand, children? Easy one. You can derive on your own also. Okay. I want answer in U. You may ask, sir, why you divided with cos? Means I want answer in tan, children. What happens if you divide with sin? Means you will get answer in cot. For tan, why you want answer in cot, children? Simple logic. Those who did not understand, I will explain tan A minus tan B also, children. Tan A minus B. Okay, tan A minus B means what, children? Sin A minus
A
B.
minus B by
cos A
cos
minus B
A minus B.
Can anyone tell sin A minus B formula, children? Sin A minus B?
Sin A cos B minus
minus
sin B cos A
Sin B cos A.
by
And what is cos A minus B?
cos A cos B plus sin A sin B.
Sin A sin B. I want answer in tan. So
Divide
divide
both
numerator
numerator
and
and denominator with cos A cos B.
cos A cos B. Okay, children, children, let's
Sin
first
A cos B by cos A cos B
cos A cos
minus
A minus
sin B cos A by cos A cos B
cos A cos
divided
B
by
divided by
cos A cos B divided by cos A cos B
cos A cos B
plus
plus
sin A sin B divided by cos A cos B
cos A cos B. Children,
tan
okay. So children, cos B gone. What is left over, children?
tan A
tan A
Tan
minus
A
tan
minus
B
tan B
1 plus
by
1
tan
plus tan
tan
A tan B
1 plus.
tan A tan B.
That's it, children. Tan A tan B. That's all. So we got tan A minus B and tan A plus B formulas also today, children. Same sums, children. Yesterday I have given them. Suppose someone will ask you what is tan 75. Someone will ask
45
you.
plus 30.
So tan 45, tan 75 means can I write tan 45 plus 30, children?
Yes, so tan
Tan
A
45 plus 30 I can write, children. Substitute in this formula. Chalo, children. Tan 45 means tan
tan
45 plus
plus
tan
tan
3
tan
30
30
by
by
1
1
1
minus
minus
tan 45
45
tan 30
into
tan 30. How much is this, children? 1 plus 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3. Okay, children. So, what is LCM, children? Root 3. Root 3 plus 1 by, what is LCM here, children? Root 3. How much you get? Root 3 minus 1. This gone. So, how much you are getting, children? Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Shall we go for rationalization or we leave like this one, children? Leave like this, nothing will happen. because we are not doing any sums for the exams. So we are practicing. Leave like this, children. No, sir, I want to do rationalization. Means do with root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. But the thing is how to derive this answers. This one, children. Derivation, no one will ask an exam, children. But why I am telling you means, in case you are forgetting the formulas also, suddenly you can derive on your own. I told you, no, if you can remember this, yesterday I told these 3 derivations. Today I told you 2 more derivations. Tomorrow I will tell 2 more derivations. Like the daily 2, 2, 3, 3 I will tell, and we'll complete off our trigonometry in 10, 15 days. We can complete off entire first year syllabus, children. Okay, children. So I will be in the video. I will be posting questions, children, about TAN. You please in the description it will be there. Please do the homework and try to submit to me, children. Yesterday's and today's homework, children. Thank you so much.